Hi guys.
Hi, well, welcome back to my channel. Hit that like button for like information.
Yep, notifications.
And
Theo's always
share.
there.
Share.
And share too? Okay, that's good.
And Manonation. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, we're doing a special on Thanksgiving.
And we got lots of toys to do.
Yep.
Papa's skateboards.
Oh, yeah, we have a lot of stuff to introduce.
Skeleton happy.
So we just want to take this moment on Thanksgiving to thank everybody that's been supporting us. And then we actually have some new people that subscribe to us, and we really want to thank them to join our channel. So
I want to welcome the new subscribers
yep.
to my channel.
Yeah, to our channel. So that's great, huh? That's
yeah.
We want, and hopefully they will like us and continue watching us. So I'm glad that we got more subscribers this time, and it's great. We just do it for fun, but I'm glad people are supporting us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we got a lot of stuff that we picked up, and then we got some old stuff, new stuff, and then I know we wanted I know Violet likes those mermaid unicorns, so we found some more, and we said if we found some, we'll do more videos on it. So let's get into the stuff that we picked up. Got some good stuff today on the background. So why don't we do the first one? Since we like collecting skateboards too, so we got a few.
The skeleton happy and the skeleton have a skateboard.
Yeah, so I know we got the DKG, the car series. So one's the Supra, and then one's the '86 Corolla. And then we picked up also some Powell boards that are the Lance Mountain and the Ronnie Mullen. Then also we got the one Bucky Lasky that just came out. That it's a cool board that has a lot of pictures, a lot of different skaters on there. And then the last one we picked up was the Nodis, the rabbit. So these are all actually cool pickups for us. So let me zoom in. Let me zoom in so you guys can get a closer look at them. Because even Violet likes and Theo likes to collect the skateboards too.
No, I don't like collect skateboards.
No, you said it's always cool. And then the other thing,
cool.
the other thing that we picked up was the heavy infantry Mandalorian. That's a cool pickup. That's really cool. Look at Violet's modeling it, huh?
And we got the Phantom.
Okay.
We have.
All right, then we'll go over here. Then we got. This one is a little older one, the Venom one, the Legend, the Marvel Toxin. That's a cool one to pick up.
What are they called back here?
Yeah.
What are they called?
That's the Venom. Marvel.
I know, it was up there, and what are they called?
Oh, okay. Those looks like little mouths and teeth. And then the other one's a pretty cool one. It's a little early, but was able to pick up the Star Wars holiday special. So the Clone Trooper and the Sith Trooper, and they're all dressed up in Christmas outfits, like the bad sweaters and stuff. So these are pretty cool. All right, so we just wanted to share what we were able to pick up, and now we're going to go back to what we normally do. So we're going to get ready and introduce what we got.
So we have the dragon. I like the movie.
Oh yeah, those are your favorite, huh?
Then we got the Mickey Smash. Papa, what are they called? Smash.
The mouth, teeth, Venom, the Legend series.
Two of these Smash them and this mini.
Okay. And what else do we have?
We have this LL.
Oh yeah, that's the new one. What is it? The
We have the Magnet Care. The Phantom.
Oh yeah.
And we got the. It's like the one from season 1.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because it has those pockets. I can tell because
cool.
they're like this.
And what else do we have?
We got the mermaids.
Oh yeah, your favorite, huh? The mermaid unicorns, huh?
Because I'm trying to get the mystery on him.
I know.
It has a mystery.
All right, so let's get ready. So give us a minute and we'll get ready. Just one moment. All right, we had to clean up a little, so have room to do stuff. So, all right, let's get started. And what do you guys want to start with?
I want to start with the dragons.
Okay.
I'm gonna open the blue one. I'm going to open the orange one.
Okay. I don't know what these are. Oh, little plushies, aren't they?
They have tape on them.
Yeah. I know we had these for a little bit, and we found them. We're like, oh, it might be good to bring out some older stuff, and maybe some people enjoy these too.
Here you go.
Well, thank you.
I know who this is. It's this one. I forgot the name.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, because you could see it, huh? Oh, you did call it. Oh, that's cool. Is that the main dragon?
Yeah. It is the main dragon. Wait.
Those are cool. They look cool.
There's sparkles on them.
Sparkly? Okay.
Can you open the... Don't open the box one. Because that's mine. Okay. You never know. I know who it is. No, don't open it.
Yeah.
It's this one right here.
Oh, is it they're all the same? I thought they were different. So maybe they're... Oh, that is different.
Wait, no, this is this one.
We gotta get the names. Is there a checklist on this?
Look!
Oh, that's a cool one. It's Golden Dragon.
It's right here. This one right here.
So...
I'm going to open the orange one.
That's how we... Yeah, I wish I could have got different color eggs, maybe. I remember like they were selling
It's
out.
hard to open again. It's hard to open. Don't open this because it's special. I know who it is.
Hope you guys are having a good Thanksgiving so far now.
Who is it?
Because we're just starting, we'll have our Thanksgiving dinner, right?
Yep. I want to have the
So we
white
just wanted to do a
one.
video for everybody for Thanksgiving, for thanking everybody for, once again supporting us. It's a good day to thank everybody, and it's a thankful day. And spend time with family and enjoy stuff that makes you guys happy.
Again? We got a duplicate.
Again? So it is all the same colors, huh? So
I really want the pink one so I can get the white one.
I know, but it was no more. It was all the. I thought it was just gonna be surprise different ones.
I don't have the ninja. This is. That's fair.
That's cool. They got a little. Again?
Again?
Okay, so it must be all. That's how it is then. Okay.
The white one and the black dragon like each other.
Oh, okay. So that's cool.
Yeah, and they're going to fight them.
Go fight? I thought they liked each other. They're gonna fight. Okay.
These are cool eggs.
Yeah, they're cool. You can just put stuff in there.
And we can open
Okay.
this.
What else are we gonna open now?
I want to open them now.
Okay.
I want to see what's in there. Please, I don't want to be the girl. There's.
All right. Let's see what these are. Whoops.
I don't want to be a girl.
You want a boy?
Yeah, I don't want to be Minnie.
Oh, it's okay. So that's what.
I want to be Mickey.
That's how we. This is how the blind packs are.
It's Mickey!
Oh, you got your Mickey. What you want?
I knew it.
You knew it?
Yeah, I knew it was.
Can you show it to us?
Take out the pancake. Oh, they're squishy.
Oh, they're squishies?
Yeah, they're squishy. And you can...
Oh, cool. That's like a mini, and they're squishy, huh?
Mickey like Minnie.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Let's see. Hopefully we could get,
What?
Oh, you want to show something?
Look!
Oh. don't push it too hard. You might pop it.
Yeah, I don't have
Oh,
any.
cool. Look at what I got. So we got a set of
Wait, there's two kinds of minis and Mickey.
ooh. It's coming out,
Wait,
Mimi.
Mickey
All right.
like mini. A lot of water.
All right.
Here we go.
All right.
Move these out of the way.
All right.
There you go.
Cool.
Here we go. And then there.
Okay. So
This is my chair.
this is cool. So we let's finish this, and then I think we're gonna have to go to. So we're gonna say bye at this moment, and
We're going to open the next one.
yep. So we gotta
The
go.
dinosaur and the
So-
rocket launcher and that goes back there.
Oh, a lot of stuff you want to open? Okay, so we just want
I
to
don't
say,
have
so far, if
a
you
lot
enjoyed
of
this
that.
video, thank
I
you
only
for
have-
watching.
I don't have a lost.
We just
a
want to
ruler.
thank everybody watching this video, and we'll go to another video. Continue on with another video. So
Wait, we
thank
forgot.
you. Thank you for
Bye.
watching.
Bye. Give us a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and turn on the notification.
I appreciate this, and we'll see you in a minute, okay? Or another video. Thank you. Bye.